I got some requests for quick and easy sandwiches, so that's why I'm doing these sandwiches. For now I'm going to show you how to make beetroot, onion and cheese sandwich. For this recipe you can omit cheese if you don't want to. Take 2 slices of bread, add butter. I am using boiled beetroot in this recipe. You can use canned beetroot instead. If you can boil the beetroot the day before, or even you can cook this several days before and leave it in the fridge to use it. And you can use this hot or cold. So if you make these sandwiches and leave it in the fridge for several days, nothing will happen and easy to use. So butter the bread first. Onto the bread add the slices of beetroot, and on the other piece of bread add the cheese. Of course, a little bit of pepper, and then some onions on top. You can use the red salad onions instead of this too, and close it. I'm going to put this in the sandwich press. As I said before, you can use this as a cold sandwich without any problem. I finished making the sandwich, and if I cut it to show you how it looks like, this is how it looks like, and I hope you will enjoy this easy recipe too. Thank you for watching.